when I assemble this line, our G parts add is incrementing in thousands, right? That's because the add instruction is counting all the time when light 1 underscore green is on, right? In order to make this a event based count, we want to use an instruction called one shot, ONS, right? And ONS instruction makes the remainder of the rung true each time the rung in condition transitions from false to true. So let's add that. We call it a G parts underscore add underscore ONS. Let me just create a new bool. So all this one shot ONS does is every time the light 1 green goes from false to true, it will make sure we add only 1 to the good parts. Right, so just to see it, if I make this 0, every time the green light comes on, we add 1 to the good parts.